Ben here with the PointByPatrol, and today I'm going to show you why the PRL intake sucks. So if you haven't guessed already, what I've done is I've stuck a microphone inside of the PRL intake that I installed here on the car. So hopefully the audio is not all washed out. It's probably going to take me a while to just get any kind of wind noise or craziness out of there. But the idea here was to kind of hear what the engine's doing, what the turbo's doing, and just hear some cool noises, because the PRL intake is an awesome intake, actually. I'm going to switch over to R mode here. As you can probably tell by the sound, it's pretty lively. Lots of wheel hop there in second gear. Now keep in mind, this is not on a factory tune. You guys need to understand that. Not on a factory tune. Obviously, this is not a factory engine. So take that into consideration. Consider purchasing. But even on the factory motor, it's going to sound great. I mean, how could it not? Alright, so as you can see here, this is just a PRL intake. Still have the factory inlet pipe and everything like that. Factory exhaust, factory catalytic converter. You know, that's the 271 Curo. This is the PRL intake. It's a much larger filter than you get on the even Cherry. And if you can see down here, and it's probably kind of difficult, there's another opening. And that other opening crosses over to right here. This is a snorkel tube that points downwards that tries to scavenge some additional air from inside of the fender well area here. So a really interesting design, and I know they spent a lot of time working on this, making sure that they were able to you know, satisfy that need, because they were seeing the same issues with the hood shut versus the hood open on the dyno, and how much power loss that they were experiencing there. So probably some stuff that I'll do here in the future, you know, change out the inlet pipe at some point in time. But I've got big plans for this car, and I've still got a lot of work to do. So stay tuned in. The build continues, the track racing continues, and I hope you guys enjoyed hearing what the PRL intake can really do. And now with the windows down, you're really going to hear it when you're just cruising down the road. So this has been with the PointByPatrol, and I appreciate you guys watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next episode.